Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the various types of software agents or agent architectures. The software agents are also known as the intelligent agents because they are making the decisions on their own and helping their clients, and therefore they are known as intelligent. So the various types of agents that we have are reflex agents, also known as the reactive agents. Then we have the model-based agents, and then we have the goal-based agents, utility-based agents, and learning agents. Each of these agents, as we move down in number, it is increasing in complexity and its performance. That means simple reflex agents are the most simple agents, and learning agents are the most powerful agents. So let us understand what each of these agents can do. So when we talk about a reflex agent, it is a very simple type of agent which can only react to the changes, and it has a particular way of behaving. For example, we can compare it to an infant which will just eat, sleep, and repeat the cycle, and it will not interact much with the environment, and it has a very limited scope of working. Then we have model-based agents. Model-based agents are those which can perceive their environment to a certain extent, and they can understand what is happening in the environment, and according to the changes in the environment, they will modify their behavior. Then we have the goal-based agents. Goal-based agents are the one which have a goal that is to be met. They have a model of what is there in the environment, and they have a goal according to which they will decide what they will do. Then we have the utility-based agents. Utility-based agents are one which have a model, goal, as well as some kind of a utility which will meet the goal in a high rate of satisfaction. Then we have the learning agents. Learning agents are the one which have a model, goal, utility, and at the same time, if they make a wrong decision, they will try to correct themselves. A lot of diagrams are there for each of these agents, and they are common across all the learning platforms. So you can get those diagrams from any of the learning platforms for free. I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like my channel, please recommend it to your friends, subscribe to it, and keep watching these videos. I would love to hear your comments about the videos, so you can comment in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.